Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by perform a soft reset, maybe it fixes your problem firstly. So put your earbuds at the charging case and then close the case. Now wait about 5 seconds and after that just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and maybe it fixes your problem, so check it. If it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and after that at the front side we have a connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light turns off. It's like about 10 seconds. So just press and hold on it. And here we go. Now you can release your finger and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Then click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to press at this connectional button or just close the charging case and open it again. We can just see it at the device list. Tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!